Dear Sir, Madam, I am writing to apply for the position of camp leader, which was advertised in the Daily Gazette on Friday the 16th of June. I am 17 years old, and I am in my final year at Kent Secondary School. I have a first-level lifeguard qualification from the Red Cross. Last summer, I worked as a waitress in a busy restaurant in Kent. This position gave me experience in working in a high-pressure work environment, which I feel would be useful in your camp. I consider myself to be hard-working and energetic. I am available for an interview on any weekday evening after 6 p.m. I look forward to hearing from you. Yours sincerely, Ruth Boswell.